Right, I'm going to show you how I do a cake topper. Now, I'm doing a number 30 today. I've got this on French script. I did have it on size 72, but I have done it a little bit bigger than what it is. So now I want to put these letters together, which I use in Cajun there. So I will go down on that until these come together. Maybe one more. No, go back. So about there. So as they are together. I'm using Coral Paint Shop Pro X7. Next thing, I'm going to go to my paintbrush, and I want it black. I've got it quite high in the settings here. I've got size 318, and I want to weld these two together. So I will put that down there. So there's my picture all done. Next, I'm going to crop it so that it's not so big. And I will save that. Save as. I'll put in 30. And save that. So I can shut this program down now. Then I'll open my Silhouette, and up in this top corner here, open desktop. I need to find my 30, which is there. Then you want to go up to these options up here, cut settings, trace area. You'll see it outlined like that. Go over to the high pass filter and knock that up until it all goes yellow. Then click trace. Shift that out of the way and delete. Then you're left with your 30 there. So highlight that. Make it the size that you want. So my customer is wanting 8 inch, so I've got it already set in 8 inches. So I will pull this bar down until it reaches 8. Ooh, a bit over there. So then that's 8 inches, which is quite a big topper really. So I want to copy that, paste, and with this next one, go to Object, Mirror, Flip Horizontal, so it actually sends it backwards. Now my paper isn't that big, so I will put that to one side, and I'm going to cut out just this one. Now I've got my glitter card all set up, and I'm going to put it into my Cameo. Oops. So press enter. I think I just need to do that again. Take that out. I like to get it just under the reel here so as it traps the card. I'll take it in a little bit more because I want to make sure it cuts. I'm using this button here, and I need to check my needle, which I have separate needles for it. Make sure it's on number 10, which it is. I have different needles for different types of card because glitter card can ruin your needle. So now that that's all set up, I'm going to go back to my computer, and I've got this all set up one side here, which is going to take more or less the full amount of the paper. I'm just going to have to narrow this down a bit because my paper is only 8 centimetres, 8 inches should I say. So I'm going to take this down. I just want it just short of 8 or 8.4 there, and at this side a little bit narrower, about 6.5. So then I shall go up here and I will click on cut, and then down here in this section here I will look for glitter cardstock, which is that. It tells me to put it on 6, but I have it on 10 because I know my blade's going a bit blunt. When you do this, maybe do it on a 7 or an 8 to test it first. The speed's on 3, thickness is up all the way, and it's a double cut, and then I send that to the Silhouette. I'll pause this while it's cutting and come back. Right, this is just cut out. So I'm going to try and do this one-handed. It's a bit hard one-handed, but and there we have it. There's my 30. So now what I'm going to do is go back to this. I'm wanting it double-sided, so I shall click that, go to Object, Mirror, Flip Horizontal, and that'll spin it around, so when I cut that out, that can stick onto the back of my other 30, so it'll be glitter on both sides. So I'll do that now, and then I will show you the end result when it's all stuck together.